Hey everyone, if you are seeing the limit exceeded to try again later error on Telegram, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, wait for a few hours. This error usually happens when you have tried logging in too many times or entered the wrong verification code multiple times. Telegram temporarily blocks access for security reasons, so waiting is the best option. Next, start your device and internet connection, turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it back on. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error disappears. If you are still facing the issue, clear Telegram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, then find Telegram from the list. Tap on Storage. Clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the login issues. Another trick is to try a different phone number or use a virtual number from services like Google Voice or TextNow. If Telegram has restricted your current number, this can help you sign in. If you are creating too many accounts on the same device, Telegram might have blocked your IP. You can try using a different device or network to log in. Finally, if nothing works, contact Telegram support at @spambot or through their official support page. Explain the issue and they might help remove the restriction. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.